The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you're having a fantastic day. What a week it has been for our master, the master being Bitcoin. We've seen some very nice moves. We've pushed up through 6,000 without too many issues. Now I really do like that. The price discrepancy between Bitfinex, Coinbase and BitMEX has pretty much dried up to a mere $125. At one stage, if you recall, it was about $300. For example, the BitMEX chart price is $62.76 now, up 1.2%, whereas the Coinbase and BitMEX is up 3.48%, or around $210. So we are seeing, and as the price is around $6,155, $155 above the magic 6,000. Now, why was or has and will be 6,000 a considerate level? Well, because it's the first major level of support or resistance in our case for 2019. Of course, there was some resistance back down at the 4,200 level. We busted up through there quite comfortably and have since moved a $2,000 move. And we love $2,000 moves. And you know what? There is not a great deal stopping us now from pushing on to some nice move to the upside. What I would like to see, if we can get up to maybe, I don't know, if today, for example, the new day, the next 24 hours can push on, or over the weekend we can punch on to maybe 6,500 or something along those lines, so that we can have a considered 10% pullback, or 8% pullback, I should say, back to 6,000, finding 6,000 as support and then pushing on. Short term, we have seen that. If I talk to the 4-hour and 2-hour right now, I'll be able to talk you through that. Now, I went live on my Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube yesterday. Now, if you are not following my socials and with the little bell alert thingamabobs, then I think that you should. As we broke up through 6,000, I went into the market and did a live session. I think it was about half an hour, 45 minutes, just talking of what I was looking for. And one of the things that I was looking for was a test of 6,000. Now, of course, if I talk to the 2-hour chart now, we did get a nice pullback into 6,000. We didn't get the bullish candle that I was really looking for there, but we saw a rejection of it. And from 6,000, we've now moved very clearly $150 higher. Now, that's a really nice thing to see. A couple of other things that I think builds into the strength of Bitcoin right now is that when we hit when we hit 6,000, we didn't see any crazy erratic price movement. A lot of people thought that we'd hit 6,000 and dump, but they were just talking. They weren't trading. So this is the thing. Crypto Twitter, crypto Facebook, crypto YouTube, opinions don't matter. Trading actions do. So a lot of people are saying, we're going back to 4,200. And I've been saying it all the way through the move to the upside. And ladies and gentlemen, this is why I'm a trend follower. I'm not trying to pick the top, or I'm not trying to pick the bottom. I'm trying to pick the chunk in the middle. And right now, we have a chunk in the middle to work with. We haven't got all-time highs, we haven't got all-time lows, but we're smack bang moving in the right direction. And that direction is upwards. So we'll continue to trade in that direction until proven otherwise. So again, just because people are thinking it's going to go lower does not mean that it will. Don't listen to the rubbish that is out there. Listen to people that know what they're doing, or listen to no one but yourself. They're your two options. Oh, excuse me. I have a cold. I'm not sure if you can tell it in my voice. Anywho, so what today to do for me? Well, I'll tell you one thing. I am only looking to go long on Bitcoin. Now, that can basically manifest itself in a number of different ways. One way is that I will go long Bitcoin by trying to find a trade on Bitcoin. Long. The other is if I was to go to my margin trading pairs, which I do every single day with my members, you can see through here, or I'll tell you, you've got a bunch of options that you can trade with margin against Bitcoin. And there are some absolutely stellar downtrends at the moment against Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, nearly everything out there, well, everything in the margin pairs anyway, just about, has a stacked downtrend. Now you can trade Bitcoin strength against alt weakness if you go short with margin. It's not a scary thing. You just need to understand it. You need to think it through. You need to be educated and know what is going on. Now, I think we're going to see some headlines coming up in the press. I believe that we will start to see some further momentum. Now, that being said, I have and will be wrong again. Right now, I'm not trying to think. I am just acting upon what is, and what is Bitcoin is moving higher. The market is accepting this move higher, and we are right now above 6,000. So if you don't know what you're doing with trading, then stop sitting on your backside, get the hell up, get organized, get the tradercobb.com/free tools, get what you need from me, and let's get you plugged in. No more playing about. Let's get you trading. There's plenty of money to be made, and if we can continue to see some good moves like we have done, man, the reward to risk ratios are insane. Let me tell you, for me, this kind of market that we've got right now is the reason that I came to crypto. You can have very small risk and some very, very, very big rewards. And the good news is that you don't even need to trade with leverage to make it work. You know, there was a trade earlier in the week on the Tuesday, Zen. There was a little bullish candle. That little bullish candle on the 4-hour was put out in the market view subscription list, so everybody knew what it was. It was in the scan in the morning, represented about 1.68% risk between the high and the low of that candle. And since then, where current price is, it has moved 18%. Now that is a multiple of about 11 of the risk there. So that's an 18% gain in whatever Bitcoin you put on that. So there's options for leverage, there is options without. You've just got to know what you're doing, and I can help you with that. Have a fantastic day, ladies and gentlemen. I'll speak to you next week. Bye for now. This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. Views are of the advertiser, not Trader Cobb or the audio presenter.